explain.
Yeah, you'd really have no idea that we've had a lot of showers and thunderstorms, or that we were going to have them later on this afternoon. If you looked at the Lake Club camera this morning, there is not a cloud in the sky right now. There were a lot of clouds earlier when I showed this camera about an hour ago. Now it is just purely sunny skies out there, but do not let this fool you. This was in the forecast. This sunshine is going to lead to storm chances later on this afternoon. Temperatures right now, they're in the mid to upper 60s. They're going to be in the 70s in no time due to this sunshine, and local radar, of course, is clear. Clouds moving out of the area, and it's this morning clearing here that we're seeing all across the area that is going to provide the heat and humidity, the fuel for showers and thunderstorms later on today as a strong cold front slides into the valley. So here is the Storm Team 27 future tracker. By 10 o'clock here, low to mid 70s showing up and mostly clear conditions. As we push that time towards later on in the afternoon, there will be a little bit of a chance of a shower about 1 or 2 o'clock. Should stay off to the north though, but then those storms will form back near the Akron and Cleveland area and begin to push into the valley, especially around 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. And once these storms get into our area, there's going to be a lot of fuel due to that heat and humidity due to the sunshine that could lead to some damaging wind gusts, heavy rainfall, frequent lightning, and the potential for large hail. Notice this continues here even to the 5 and 6 o'clock hour. Then eventually, as this storm system progresses, it'll push that stuff out of our viewing area, and tomorrow will be much improved, I promise you. But the future tracker wind gusts here, one thing to point out, 10 o'clock here, we're already seeing wind gusts between 20 and 25 miles per hour. This is a strong storm system moving in. There's going to be some strong winds aloft, and those are going to come down to the surface. And if we get one of those stronger thunderstorms, that could bring down some severe level winds like what this model is showing. So by 4 o'clock, notice as those storms move in, these red and orange colors and brown colors showing up, those are stronger winds. This has a wind gust at Salem of 50 miles per hour. Now, keep in mind, this is not, or don't look into specifics for this model here. This is not going to be a perfect example of what's going to happen this afternoon. Just know that if your area gets one of those severe thunderstorm warnings, or if you get a storm today, it could produce some strong winds, heavy rainfall, and quite a bit of lightning. Also the potential for some large hail as well. Speaking of the rainfall, I just showed that rainfall map earlier. The models here really hinting that some locations could pick up some additional heavy rainfall today, and that could lead to some localized flooding, as we've had quite a bit of rain over the past couple of weeks. The Storm Prediction Center has our area here in this orange color. That is an enhanced risk. It is a level 3 out of 5 risk for strong thunderstorms this afternoon. Main threats are severe damaging wind gusts and then flooding. Those are sort of 1A and 1B today. Then after that, the second best chance for any type of severe weather will be large hail. And then there is an isolated risk of a tornado today. 1 or 2 of these storms could be rotating and could produce a weak tornado. Now, as far as the rainfall intensity, the stormcast really showing up between about 1 and 7 o'clock. So is the lightning potential. But thankfully, the 7-day outlook shows much improvement. Tomorrow, mostly sunny. Another chance for showers and thunderstorms, though, unfortunately, Monday and Tuesday. And then we finally start to dry out a little bit as we head towards the end of next week.